In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build AI custom apps in Monday.com. We'll start on your Monday.com homepage. Make sure you're signed into the right workspace and that you have permission to build apps. This ensures you can connect the data you need and actually publish what you create. Look to the top right of your screen and click the heart icon. This opens the AI Builder panel where all the building happens. If you don't see it, check that AI features are enabled for your account or ask an admin to grant access. Inside the panel, you can type in what you want. Describe your app in natural language, what problem it should solve, which boards or items it should work with, what inputs it needs, and the kind of output you expect. The more specific you are, mentioning column names, success criteria, or how you plan to use the result, the better the builder can translate your intent into a working app. If you prefer a guided path, you can add AI features from the panel. This lets you select ready-made building blocks like summarization, classification, or Q&A and weave them into your app. It's a great way to move faster if you already know the kind of AI capability you need but don't want to write a long prompt. You can also connect your data so the app has real context. Connecting a board helps the AI understand your structure and lets your app read from and act on actual items. In the connection view, use the search field to quickly find the right source. Type the board name, skim the results, and choose the board that contains the items and columns you want to use. Double check that you're selecting the correct workspace and that the board doesn't include sensitive information you don't intend to expose. When you've picked the right source, click Connect. This authorizes the builder to use that board with your app. If a permission dialog appears, follow it to confirm access. A quick tip: keep your board tidy and columns clearly named. Clean structure leads to better AI behavior. With your prompt or features set and your data connected, click Build It. The system will generate your custom AI app, wiring the pieces together based on your description and selections. Give it a moment to compile. Once it's ready, you'll see the result with your chosen data source linked and your requested AI capabilities in place. That's the flow. Open your workspace, use the heart icon, describe what you need or pick AI features, connect your board by searching and choosing it, click Connect, and then build it. Follow these steps and you'll have a functional AI-powered app tailored to your Monday.com data.